Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Hey everyone, this is Sean Smith, the founder of Elite Coaching University, where we give you the skills to be a better coach and the tools to build a bigger business. And in this short video, I'm going to reveal for the very first time the #1 business model to make $1 million as a coach.
$1 million.
So I've been in this industry for over 10 years as a speaker, a trainer, as a coach. I've tried a bunch of business models for myself. I've taught a bunch of business models to other coaches, and I've finally discovered the single most powerful business model to make $1 million. Are you ready? There isn't one. There isn't one. There's no such thing as the most powerful business model to make 4 figures or 5 figures or 7 figures or 18 figures or however many figures you want to make. There's no such thing as a single way to do anything, and especially in this coaching industry. I get sick and tired of hearing people go, you got to do webinars, you got to do Facebook marketing, you got to do video marketing, you got to get on YouTube, you got to have a Pinterest account, you got to do Instagram. Come on, seriously? It all depends. What you got to remember is that you're serving a single person, your seeker. Who's that individual out there seeking the knowledge that you have in your head? And that individual seeker is the expert. So when you focus on your individual seeker, you got to figure out who they are, what they want, what they're afraid of, and in this case, from a marketing angle, where are they? If they're on Facebook, then go ahead and do Facebook ads. If they're the kind of people that watch webinars and buy products from webinars, then do a webinar campaign. But they might not even be on social media or even in front of the computer. Your seeker might be reading the newspaper. Your seeker might be at home and garden kinds of events where you can, rent a booth and be a vendor. Your seeker might only be at networking events locally in your community. Your seeker is the expert. And so your business model will depend on who your seeker is and who you are. What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? What's your content? What's your delivery method? All of those things need to be taken into account before you can say, this should be my business model. And one of the things that I've learned in this industry, both coaching coaches as well as trying all kinds of stuff myself over 10 years, is that there's no such thing as rules. There are laws, but there are no rules. And if anybody tries to sell you a rule, if anybody tries to sell you something that sounds like this is the way you have to build your coaching business, then I suggest you run. So what I want you to do is honor the process. I want you to do the foundational work you've got to do to build a business that's sustainable and scalable and also flexible. There's no flexibility in one-size-fits-all approaches. I want you to honor yourself. I want you to honor your content. And most importantly, I want you to honor your seeker's buying patterns. When it comes to marketing, it's very difficult to change buying patterns. It's very difficult to change thought patterns. It's much easier to just get in the way of patterns that already exist. So go out there, do your research, figure out where your seeker is, what it is that they want, how you can deliver it to them in the way that they're already consuming it and already want to buy it, and that's your business model. And if you do things the right way, you have the right mindset, and you implement the right business principles, you can take your business model and scale it as big as you want. So hopefully this video has been valuable for you. If nothing else, maybe it was just a slap in the face to shake you from the pattern of searching for a one-size-fits-all approach. But I also want to be responsible to you because I know this is one of the biggest challenges that most coaches have. How can I create the right model for me and scale my business and attract the right clients and make a lot of money and serve a lot of people? I first want to hear from you on this page. So in the comment section, I want you to tell me 2 things: who your seeker is and what you think the right business model should be. And I or my team will do our best to answer your comments with whatever suggestions we have. Or if you want to go deeper and you want more individualized support, then click on the link or the button that will take you to a page where you can schedule a free business model makeover session with either myself or one of my coaches. We'll spend a short period of time with you on the phone, help you identify who your seeker is, and give you a suggestion of what we believe your best business model will be. I look forward to speaking to you personally or coming to you in another video real soon. Ah! Blech. Ugh, I didn't want to say willing. Ah! And now you know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking maybe I should have done this whole video from back here so people can see my hands. Well, I didn't.